and welcome back to the Crypto Femi channel. If you like the channel, don't forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. You're welcome one more time. Yeah, and like we said, I took a big break, right? I needed to attend to a few personal issues, but we're back to the chat, right? And I hope you were not caught up in the mess, as we usually say. Today we'll be looking at one of our very favorite coins on the channel, which is Quant USDT. Remember, I was warning around the 133 region, right? As you can see, pasted in the video below, I was warning that warning, right? Begin to put some stop loss on your spot positions. Probably, if possible, begin to reanalyze, because we probably could see a huge drop in the price of Quant. And as you can see, we have seen that huge drop. That was a how many percent drop? As you can see, that was a 12% drop in the price of Quant. So as you can see, our analysis have been spot on ever since, right? If you go down to the videos, links are in the description. You remember I was saying be careful, place stop losses right above your position, that we probably could see a rejection at the 130 range. We pushed up to the 133 range, and you can see the huge rejection. So as you can see, we knew that we probably could get rejected at this place because of the EMA rebounds. As you remember, we said the EMA rebounds usually acts as a support. As you can see, this is the daily time frame. Binance is the data source. Every single time we came above the EMA rebounds, as you can see, we held it as support. We began going up. Every time we lost the EMA rebounds and we came back to retest it. Here the retest wasn't successful. We could see how the bulls pushed up a bit and pushed our Quant to a very higher level. But as you can see, every time we switched bearish, we pushed down a bit, and we're coming back for a retest. And I was trying to explain to you that probably this might be the bearish retest that we could see for that downside, even for the price of Quant. And as you can see, everything played according to how we said. We're trying to say make sure you put your stop losses at this place, and you can see we came up a bit, right? Faked everybody out. 133, go to the moon. And as you can see, we went down, right down to my target of around 115. And I was telling you, I was shouting, I was making the videos, warning to all our Quant holders, we probably could see a dump. And as you can see, we have been very spot on as regards all our analysis so far. We pushed down a huge 13%. So probably if you are taking that call, you will have been saved off 13%. So we probably for the next price for Quant, to see what Quant is going to do, we probably should expect Quant to come down and retest the 114 region. If for any reason Quant fails to hold the 114 regions, we probably could see Quant first at the 95 region, 95 to 98 region, as that is the next huge support for Quant. If we bring up our indicators, as you can see, our indicators are still bearish. So we probably should expect further downside even for the price. If we go down to lower time frames to give us a hint as to what's gonna happen on the 4-hourly time frame, right? We could see that we already flipped bearish, right? We came up a bit down to our 132 range, was rejected, which I explained to you that we probably could get rejected at this end. As you can see, rejected on the T, down. As you can see, we are coming down, and probably as you can see, the EMA rebounds are already turning bearish on the 4-hourly time frame. So we probably could see the price of Quant push down, even as our next major support for Quant is the 108. If for any reason we are not able to hold the 108 region, as you can see, for any reason we are not able to hold the 108, then we are coming down to the 100 to 96, like we said before. So remember, like we always said, our analysis has been clean. As you can see, our support levels, right, our resistance and our support levels, everything working according as it should. As you can see, we are pushing up right now according to the oscillator, so we probably should see some kind of sideways action, or probably even a push to the top and then further push to the downside. If we look at this other chart, right, if we look at this other chart, right, to just get a hint, so we want to look at a lot of charts to get a very perfect understanding, right? This is on the daily time frame. As you can see, we just broke the Bollinger Band, so we probably should expect further downward price action, probably to around the 109 108 region. If we bring up the indicators on this page, as you can see, we are very bearish both on our money flow. As you can see, it's telling us a lot of money is leaving Quant, right? Even though we probably were bullish down even from we're expecting further price action, but according to here, we probably could see further more downward price action, probably even down to probably the 105 region, right? If we come back to the 12-hourly time frame, which we have been using for a while, as you can see, the moment we went below the EMA rebounds, we are probably should expect that we'll touch the EMA rebounds at the 112. So that's the next major support. If we bring down the indicators, as you can see, very huge downward pressure even on the money flow, right? So we should expect further more downward price action. As you can see on the 4-hourly time frame, as you can see, we began coming down. And this was where I was warning everybody that we probably could see some further downward price action at the 140 range, as you can see, because a lot of money was leaving Quant. As you can see, a lot of money left Quant, began to push downwards, and now some little amount of money is coming into Quant. Not enough money though, because as you can see, we're already still getting rejected, so we probably could see a sideways action and then for the dump. If you like the channel, don't forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you and have a great day.